Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar from start to finish. If you're new to Google Calendar or want to manage your daily schedule more efficiently, this complete 2026 guide will help you understand the most important features in a simple and easy way. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. This is the main calendar dashboard where you can organize your schedule, create events, and keep track of important dates. To create a new event, click the Create button in the top left corner and select Event. Enter a title for your event, choose a date, and set the time. You can also add a notification or reminder so Google Calendar will alert you before the event begins. After entering the details, click Save. Your event will now appear on your calendar automatically. You can switch between month view and week view to see your schedule in different ways. The Today button helps you return to the current date instantly. If you want to make changes, simply click on an event and choose Edit. You can update the title, date, time, or reminder whenever you need. Google Calendar automatically syncs with your Google account, so your events stay updated across your phone, tablet, and computer. That's it. This is the easiest way to use Google Calendar effectively in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.